Welcome back to our Volvo P1800. As you can see, we've been busy. We've now got it in its base coat colour. We're going to be fitting up the suspension, putting the wheels on, the brakes on, but we're going to tidy those up first and paint them so they're ready to go afterwards. That way we can make sure everything fits perfectly. Then we can get the guards on, line everything up with the wheels, line the doors up, get all our suspension heights set up, do a dry build essentially so we know where we're going, so we don't have any little hiccups or unforeseen problems in the future. So quite often this is how parts come to us. Owners have stripped them, took them off, put them in boxes obviously for safekeeping, but now we're going through all our boxes, seeing what we've got, repairing everything as necessary, get everything nicely painted, new bearings if it's a hub, we'll get it on and we'll try it out. So we're moving into the next phase of our build now, getting all the suspension system built up. We're doing a dummy build and that way we know if any parts are missing, we can make sure everything fits perfectly. We've got parts in paint at the moment, they'll be coming very, very shortly. As and when they come through, we'll be getting them built onto the car. It's important to get this phase right because it will determine the final finish. So now we're fitting up the cross member. We're making sure it all lines up. We've done a lot of heavy repair work on this side and everything's been jigged and measured. Today we're just putting the top scuttle panels on. We want to get all our windscreen aligned in, so we're getting ready to test fit it. We've fitted the back screen and now we've moved to the front. We've got a little bit of realignment to do, so we're making our adjustments now and then we'll get our screen in. We need to make sure everything still lines up as we go through our whole process. As you can see, we're starting to build up our engine bay as well. This gives us a very good idea of where things actually go, what's here, what isn't here, and we can also get things cleaned up and painted as we go. Saves a little bit of time in the long run. We've got our windscreen in now. We've had to make a few adjustments on the windscreen just to finish off the really sort of perfect part of the alignment for the rubbers. We've got the scuttle panel all on the top now and we're installing the heater system into the engine bay.
We've had the front screen and the rear screen fitted to see where we are with all of our constraints on the interior. We've then test fitted the dash to see how it fits and checked out that all the brackets and everything underneath there align and will work when we start reassembling it for the final time. We've also installed everything that goes underneath the dash. Two reasons: firstly to see that it all fits, and second to see that we've got everything that we need. Also to see what modifications we might be making. We've then mocked up a centre console just to get an idea of what the shape and the fit's going to be, so that we can take the look and make it fit, make it look really good.
So if you'd like to see more of us at the toy shop, follow projects like this, hit that like and subscribe button and keep watching.